Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna start with creating the first section, which is the web section. So guys, now let's get started by creating a new section and selecting the web section. As you can see, this is the web section over here, so we are getting started with the web section. So guys, now let's get started. The first thing up there is the section title, and the second thing that is below it is the section, the web that it will open when the section is open. When someone open this section, which website do you want it to be displaying in your application? So you have to paste the link of the website, either it's be your website or any other website. So you just copy the link and paste it there. So now let me copy maybe like random link. Let me just copy maybe like Amazon link and paste it there. So as you can see, this is the Amazon link, so I just have to copy this link, then go back to my AppCreator24, then paste the link below here. So now I've successfully placed it. So click on save after you done putting the link. So yeah guys, now let's go back to our web station and edit something in it. So guys, let's click on this advanced setting over here. As you can see, the reference, I said I will talk about this later. This is not your time, I'll talk about this. Okay guys, open link externally is like if you want the link to be open externally inside your app. So I'll advise you to put it in auto or no. So I'm putting it in no. You can also put it in auto, it's similar to no. Okay, and also the enable download, maybe you to allow users to download videos in your application. In the That's what this is useful for. If there's any file in this website you paste, it will automatically download. The adapt web is like it should adapt with the size of your application, so that's what it's useful for. And the allow zoom is like there will be a plus button like what you are seeing on the screen, so that's what the zoom, that to allow user to zoom for, maybe there's a word that is tiny so user can zoom it. That's what it's useful for. And the put to refresh is like when user is using your application, maybe there's a connection error, so the user will have to pull up like put to refresh like what you are seeing on the screen sha. So now to the next one, show loader is like when the website is loading, so it shows that it will indicate that this website is loading. I will advise you to put it in here, so it will notify the user that this application is loading, maybe because of service or stuff like that. And the next one over here which says update always, don't use scratch, is like in a website there's something like this there, so you can put it in no and you can put it in yes. It's just what you preferred, so nothing is bad in both of them, so I'm putting it in no. Okay, and the allow without icon, as you can see the rate under it, that if it's possible, that means that the icon of the website you input in your application won't be showing if possible, as you can see, but it's not actually possible sometimes, most time rather. So I don't think this, you don't need this actually, but it's not possible most time. Okay, and to the message error when no connection, so you can leave this blank to show the default message, and the user agent as well, you can leave it blank to show the default message. And the required to watch video access, I've already talked about this. Pay for access also, I've already talked about this. Searching option, I've already talked about this. You can put it in yes or no, then you can put the description, but I'm putting it in no. So, and the access password, I've already talked about this, and the rest as well. So welcoming message, all this one I've talked about this earlier, and the icon. So let me choose from gallery. You can also choose from your browser, so I'm choosing from a gallery. Let me choose something like this. Okay, so now let's wait for it to show. As you can see, so click on save. Now you're done with that. So guys, now do you know that you can create a website using this web section as well? So now let me briefly explain how you can create a website using this web section in AppCreator24. Like I've said in my last tutorial, that in this AppCreator24 you can create a website. So guys, now let's get started. And as you can see, there's something like tips over here which says we invite you to use our other platform, socialcreator.com, to create more content for your audio Android app. And also the right under it are saying, well, with socialcreator.com you can create a web page optimized for mobile device with image, videos, forms, maps, table, etc. You only have to create a web page with socialcreator.com and put in this section web address you get. So now guys, let's click on this socialcreator.com to start creating our website. So let me show you how it works. And after you click on this social creator, it will show a page like this. So you have to sign up a new account. because you have to create an account with this social creator as well. So now let's get started by creating a new account by clicking on the sign up button. So guys, you have to fill in all the information as you can see here, your company name, your country, and your email and your password, and click on the checkbox that say I accept term of service. Then click on send, and they will send you an email confirmation of your account. And after you confirm your account, come back to this website and it will show this page. As you can see, they write create app. Actually, it's not app you are creating right now, you are creating a website. So you guys, let's get started by filling all this information here. We have to fill in our application name, so I'm using tutorial as well. So let me just put tutorial, and after you fill in this information, the web address will be generated automatically. As you can see, it generates automatically, as you can see. And this will be your web address, the https://w.socialcreator.com/tutorial. That anybody who put this link on his Google or Chrome or wherever, your web address will be showing, I mean your web will be showing. And the app description also, you can put anything there. And also the icon you can use from your browser, and you can choose from the gallery. So let me just choose out of the gallery over here. So okay, let me just choose this. So click on next. As you can see, the web address is already used by another app. So now we have to change the web address, the tutorial over here. So let me use something like tutorial for YouTube. Let's see if anyone has choose this one or not. So now click on next. Let's see. Okay, they've accepted. So you have to choose your styles. So you know, I like blue color a lot, so I'm choosing blue. So now let's click on next. So as you can see, go to app manager and let's start creating a new section. So it's similar to the app creator 24 as well, but some section are missing here. So let's see what is in this section. Okay, this is the general. You can change your web address, your web name, and this is where your web address. If someone copied this, I mean paste, let me just show you how it works. Yeah, as you can see, www.socialcreator.com/tutorial for you to. So guys, now let's see our web page. As you can see, there's nothing here now. As you can see, we've created a website successfully. As you can see, this is our website now. So now let's try to make it more, you know, to make it more beautiful, stuff like that. So guys, let's get back to our social creator and give it some section. Let's create a new section. And before that, there are some features here as well. So let's try to use some of these features that says push notification settings. So now show notification icon on the header. So like it's like what you're seeing on the screen now is the notification icon. Let me get back to the website. So as you can see, the notification icon over here. So that's it. So you can put it in yes or no. If you don't want it to be showing, you can put it in no. And the show option to receive notification or not. So this is the option. You can off it or on it. I'm sorry guys, I'm not going to explain this social creator fully. So now let's get started by going to this section. I'll be making another tutorial about this social creator personally. So guys, just make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, so whenever I make a tutorial about this social creator, so you can also be one of my viewers. Okay, now let's get started by creating the first section over here. And as you can see, there's no much section over here. It's just like the web HTML item. So let me just create the web section as well. So I can just paste the link of our website here and the title of the section. So on this one also show in menu, it shows this tab, this section in menu. Open externally, you can put this in no. The icon you can choose from browser or gallery. So let me just choose it from gallery. And the website link, let me just paste the website link there. So let me just look for one. I paste the AppCreator website. So let's see if our web is showing AppCreator website in this web. So let me try to reload and let's see. And now it's showing AppCreator24 in our website, as you can see. So this is perfectly working. So you can copy this address and paste it in your app. Once you paste it in your app, that means what's in this space, like this tab over here, will be showing in your app as what you can see on the screen. So guys, now let's copy the web address of this social creator. So let me copy it. You can copy it from your social creator as well. So let me paste the web address of this our website, as you can see. So now this will be displaying in our app now. So now let's click on save and let's go to our application. So as you can see on the screen, see what is displaying in our app right now, and it's working perfectly. So this is how it simply works. So this is what I meant by you creating website using this AppCreator 24 as well. Have you seen? This is very very true. You can create a website. So if you copy this website that you just created, if you paste it to your friends or your family, so they will have access to your web page as well. So that's it. So guys, I think this will be the end of today's tutorial. On our next tutorial, we'll be talking about the quiz section and as well as the office section as well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share to your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Bye.